Hello again, I'm Amy Giaculli. Welcome to week 5. This is a very short week. We'll take a few minutes to quickly review the course. Then, we would like to ask you to answer questions in the end of course survey. This way, you'll be able to review your results and reflect on them. Also, if you are doing this course for a certificate, there's a brief final quiz to complete. By now, you're supposed to be more than halfway through your uphill journey toward career fitness. Let's see what you've learned in this course, and even more importantly, what you should be able to do after completing it. We think that by now you should be able to convert any abstract career goal that you may have into a concrete and realistic job description with explicitly defined skills requirements. Identify all necessary skills and underlying competencies that would be required from the successful applicant on the job. Know what the standards or best practices in the field are that can be used as benchmarks for evaluation. After completing the course, you should know how to select appropriate tools and techniques for skills assessment, conduct an objective self-assessment, and be able to correctly interpret the results. Collect and present evidence of your mastery in the field. We also hope that you can implement some of the self-coaching instruments that we introduced in the course. For example, you should be able to use a metric that we call present job market value to self-evaluate your current standing in a competition for a particular job, and based on the dashboard and PJMV, develop a data-driven strategy for self-improvement, and implement, monitor, and sustain your self-strategy and achieve positive results. Overall, we think that by using a data-driven, evidence-based approach, you'll be well prepared for continuing career development. Once you know where to go, how to get there, what skills and competencies you may need to develop, and how to use your resources wisely to get those skills, you should be good to go. But what would be your next step? Let's suppose that you are one of 5 or 10 or more people, all equally qualified for the job. How would the employer notice you? How could you deliver a message that your experience is more recent, more relevant, and your other skills and personal characteristics are better suited for the position? There is one more skill development area that we are going to cover in this specialization. It's called strategic self-marketing. We'll devote the entire Course 3 to this topic, so please don't go away. There's plenty more to come. In the following course, we will approach self-marketing as just another skill. So we'll be talking about competencies, tools, best practices, etc. again. But this time, we'll be more concerned with the emotional side of the brand. Well, you know, sometimes even simple things can do wonders. There is also some magic in personal branding. This is certainly something that we'd like to add to this specialization, so please stay with us.